What's up guys, I'm Joel Dodge. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Xtone Pro, and then we're going to connect it to my iPad and my iPhone just to see how easy it is to set up. And yeah, it's going to be a good time. Let's get into it. So the Xtone Pro is a device that I've actually been interested in for a while, and I reached out to Xsonic to see if they'd be interested in sending me one that I could demo for you guys on the channel, and they were completely for it, and they sent this over to me. And it's a really cool device. It's a MIDI controller slash interface that's made with guitar players in mind. So the MIDI controlling is all geared for controlling effects like guitar effects, and this one, the Xtone Pro, actually has like a mic connection too, so you can connect a mic, and it has MIDI ins and MIDI outs. So it's a very versatile kind of tool that you can do pretty much whatever you'd want with. Really excited to be trying it out, and I'm super thankful to the people over at Xsonic who sent it over. They've been really cool throughout this whole process. All right, let's start unboxing this thing. So this box is really cool. I like boxes that slide out like this. Okay, we got a little cover here. Cool, so it looks like the pedal itself is kind of covered in this cloth, which is cool. It's nice. Let's open this up. Man, it looks really nice. And it's pretty solid too. Like, it's definitely all metal and feels pretty heavy. I like how the buttons feel. So you got your instrument input, your expression pedal input, and then you have your mic input. So that's all really cool. And then you have these two knobs, so you got your gain and volume. It's really cool. Let's see what else comes in the box. So you got a redemption code here for Bias Effects 2 Standard, which is cool. Then you can follow them on Instagram. Yeah, and it looks like they have a bunch of communities you can connect with to probably learn more about the Xtone, which is cool. And let's see what's in here. All right. Okay, so we got two adapters. One is for USB-C, then the other is for like an iPhone. It's cool. And then you have your kind of standard MIDI to USB. Actually, I like this setup because it minimizes how many cables you have to have. If you had a separate USB-C cable and then a separate cable for the iPhone, you'd kind of have a lot of parts, where this really simplifies it. They just give you one long cable and then each adapter, so that you can just use the same cable every time, which is nice because I get tired of having so many dongles and cables all over the place. Let's get my guitar out and my iPad and give this thing a little test run. Man, that sounds really good. I'm gonna see how the gain affects it. I'm not hearing any difference, so that's probably for the mic input. Man, I'm really liking this. And what was really cool is, like, you just saw me connect it. It just works right out of the gate. So that was awesome. Let's try MIDI assigning a few things. So I'm going to do this volume pedal. So volume, we're going to learn. Okay. Yeah, that was really easy. You just move the pedal, and now we're linked. But I probably need to calibrate this for it to have the full range of motion. Okay, so I'm gonna have to spend some time with that to make sure that works, but you can see that it is connected. And let's try just toggling something else on. So let's learn turning on the power. Cool, so done. So, cool. The other thing I wanted to do is just connect it to my iPhone real quick to see if it's as easy as it was to connect to the iPad. From what I understand, the iPhone is supposed to power it just straight through this adapter. But I am gonna have to get rid of my top-down shot because that's my iPhone up there. So I'm gonna be taking that down, and I'll be moving this main camera so that you can see what I'm doing with the iPhone. So I left everything exactly how it was and just changed out the dongle. So we're just gonna plug it in, see if it works as easily as it did with the iPad. Okay, cool. You can see the light came on. So the phone is powering the Xtone Pro, just straight up connecting it. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and open up Bias Effects. So there's a lot of noise for some reason, so I'll put the gate on to kind of help with that. Cool, but it looks like it's working the same way. Let's just MIDI assign something real quick just to do it. The power. Cool, so I did it right away. Perfect. So guys, I just wanted to share my first experience with this pedal with you guys, just unboxing it and connecting it, seeing a little bit of how it works. Next week, I'll be posting a video where I dive into the specs a lot more and just really show you what this thing can do. But so far, I'm really excited. This is a really cool device, and it's cool how easily everything just connected. If you're interested in seeing the other videos I make about the Xtone Pro, definitely make sure you subscribe. But as always, die empty. I'll catch you in the next one.